Hello friends, welcome to InfoQuizz. Let's learn about famous scientists today. Isaac Newton, 1643 to 1727. Revolutionized physics with the laws of motion and universal gravitation, laying the foundation for classical mechanics. Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955. Developed the theory of relativity, significantly altering our understanding of space, time, and gravity. Marie Curie, 1867 to 1934. Pioneered research in radioactivity, discovering radium and polonium, and won 2 Nobel Prizes in different fields. Charles Darwin, 1809 to 1882. Formulated the theory of evolution by natural selection, reshaping biology and our understanding of species development. Nikola Tesla, 1856 to 1943. Contributed to the development of alternating current, AC, electricity systems and numerous inventions in electromagnetism. Satyendra Nath Bose, 1894 to 1974, Satyendra Nath Bose FRS, MP was an Indian theoretical physicist and mathematician. He is best known for his work on quantum mechanics in the early 1920s, in developing the foundation for Bose-Einstein statistics, and the theory of the Bose-Einstein condensate. Louis Pasteur, 1822 to 1895. Developed germ theory, pioneering vaccines and pasteurization, revolutionizing medicine and microbiology. Max Planck, 1858 to 1947. Founded quantum theory, introducing the concept of energy quanta, which reshaped modern physics. Stephen Hawking, 1942 to 2018. Made groundbreaking contributions to cosmology, particularly the nature of black holes and the Big Bang theory. Gregor Mendel, 1822 to 1884. Known as the father of genetics, discovering the fundamental laws of inheritance through experiments with pea plants. Galileo Galilei, 1564 to 1642. Used telescopic observations to support Copernican heliocentrism and laid the foundations for modern physics. Leonardo da Vinci, 1452 to 1519. Made important discoveries in anatomy, engineering, and aerodynamics, blending art with scientific observation. Michael Faraday, 1791 to 1867. Pioneered the study of electromagnetism and electrochemistry, leading to discoveries like electromagnetic induction. James Clerk Maxwell, 1831 to 1879. Formulated Maxwell's equations, which describe the behavior of electric and magnetic fields, laying the groundwork for modern physics. Dmitry Mendeleev, 1834 to 1907. Created the periodic table of elements, organizing them by atomic mass, predicting undiscovered elements. Richard Feynman, 1918 to 1988. Renowned for contributions to quantum electrodynamics and physics, as well as his work on the Manhattan Project. Rosalind Franklin, 1920 to 1958. Contributed crucial X-ray diffraction images that led to the discovery of the DNA double helix structure. John Dalton, 1766 to 1844. Developed the atomic theory of matter, introducing the concept that each element is composed of atoms of a single type. Enrico Fermi, 1901 to 1954. Key figure in nuclear physics, contributing to the development of nuclear reactors and the first controlled nuclear chain reaction. Erwin Schrödinger, 1887 to 1961. One of the founders of quantum mechanics, famous for the Schrödinger equation and the thought experiment of Schrödinger's cat. Jagdish Chandra Bose, 1938 to 1937. The immensely talented Jagdish Chandra Bose was one of India's first modern scientists. He was a pioneer in the field of wireless telecommunication, a field which would eventually lead to invention of the radio, TV, Wi-Fi, and even cell phones. Carl Linnaeus, 1707 to 1778. Developed the binomial nomenclature system for naming species and laid the foundation for taxonomy. Niels Bohr, 1885 to 1962, key figure in atomic theory, proposed the Bohr model of the atom and contributed to quantum mechanics. Alan Turing, 1912 to 1954. Father of computer science, developed the concept of the Turing machine, which is fundamental to computer algorithms and artificial intelligence. Antoine Lavoisier, 1743 to 1794. Known as the father of modern chemistry, discovered the role of oxygen in combustion and helped develop the law of conservation of mass. Barbara McClintock, 1902 to 1992. Discovered genetic transposition, where genes can change positions on chromosomes, revolutionizing genetics. Blaise Pascal, 1623 to 1662. Contributed to fluid mechanics, the study of probability, and built the first mechanical calculator. Srimavasa Ramanujan, 1887 to 1920, often regarded as one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. Though he had almost no formal training in pure mathematics, he made substantial contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions, including solutions to mathematical problems then considered unsolvable. E.C.G. Sudarshan, 1931 to 2018, Indian-American physicist E.C.G. Sudarshan proposed the quantum theory for tachyons, which challenged Einstein's theory that nothing can move faster than light. André-Marie Ampère, 1775 to 1836. Foundational figure in electromagnetism, known for Ampere's law, which describes the magnetic force between two currents. Ada Lovelace, 1815 to 1852. Considered the first computer programmer, she wrote algorithms for Charles Babbage's early mechanical computer. Alexander Fleming, 1881 to 1955. Discovered penicillin, the first antibiotic, which revolutionized medicine and saved millions of lives. Hans Geiger, 1882 to 1945, co-inventor of the Geiger counter, an instrument used to measure radiation. Joseph Priestley, 1733 to 1804, discovered oxygen, though he called it dephlogisticated air, contributing to the understanding of respiration. Alexander Graham Bell, 1847 to 1922, invented the telephone, revolutionizing communication. Ernest Rutherford, 1871 to 1937, known as the father of nuclear physics, discovered the nucleus of the atom and proposed the Rutherford model. William Harvey, 1578 to 1657, discovered the circulation of blood, a foundational concept in modern physiology. Carl Sagan, 1934 to 1996, astrophysicist and popular science communicator, known for his work on planetary science and his contributions to the study of extraterrestrial life. Tim Berners-Lee, 1955, invented the World Wide Web, revolutionizing communication, information sharing, and online business. Charles Babbage, 1791 to 1871. Mathematician who designed the first automatic mechanical computer, the analytical engine, an early precursor to the modern computer. John Snow, 1813 to 1858, pioneer in the field of epidemiology, known for his work in tracing the source of a cholera outbreak in London.